Hi friends, Alena Applerose here. Welcome to the Penland kitchen. Today we're going to be making gingerade. So gather all your ingredients together, and what you'll need is a gallon of water, a cup of ginger, 4 lemons, 2 ounces of cinnamon sticks, 1/8 of a cup of whole cloves, 1/2 a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and a cup of orange juice concentrate. Make sure your workstation is nice and clean, your hands are washed, and get ready to go. Once you've gathered all your ingredients together, then it's time to prepare them. We'll start by cutting our lemons. We're going to quarter these lemons that have all been rinsed and clean on the outside to make sure there's no residue left. Next, we'll prepare our 1 cup of cut ginger. You want to make sure you rinse the outside to get any residue off the ginger. Cut it into big chunks. They don't have to be small. That's about a cup right there. We'll make the gingerade in 2 steps. First, the lemons, the ginger, the cinnamon, and the cloves will go into a pot with a gallon of water. Bring that to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer for 20 minutes. Now that our first 4 ingredients for the gingerade have simmered, we'll add the second step. That's going to be 1 cup of orange juice concentrate, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of honey. Give those a good stir. And you're going to let it simmer about another 10 minutes just so those things can fully integrate with each other. Once all of your ingredients have simmered, it will smell delicious and your mouth will be watering. Make sure you have everything for straining out the ingredients so that you just have the drink. I use a big strainer. Sometimes I need a funnel. In this case, I'm going to use a heat-proof jar so that when I pour my hot, not quite boiling liquid into there, it won't crack. So make sure if you're using glass that it is heat-proof, or find something plastic that you feel comfortable pouring into. Let it strain and get all the good stuff out of there. Now your gingerade is ready. Drink it hot or over ice, however you prefer. Now that you've finished preparing the gingerade, take time to have a sip. And you'll be transported right back here to Conley Ridge.